So you might be in this weird situation where for some reason your Android phone is telling you that it's currently unable to send messages. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, but the number one reason why this ends up happening is because either you don't have any cell service, you don't have any signal, or because there's a network outage and it's not working for you. So for one, if I were to go and send a text to this particular person right here, right? If I were to say something like, hi or whatever, as you can see, it's not even allowing me to text this message to this person. But if I were to go ahead and basically be able to, it would tell me that I'm not able to send that message because I just don't have any cell service or cell signal. So that right there is a very, very big thing to keep in mind. So I used to not get this message, I used to be able to send text, but if it tells you that you're currently unable to go and send text messages or messages at all, it's because your cell signal may be down. So the first thing you want to do is check at the very top. If you come down in your status bar right here, if it tells you on your status bar up here, like emergency calls only, or no service, or SOS or whatever, then that basically means you do not have any sort of cell service. So how do you fix that? Well, there's a few things. One, double check your particular SIM card. Make sure you have your SIM card installed on your phone. So you can see for me, I have my SIM card at the bottom, but I don't have a SIM card in here, so I'm not going to be able to do this. But if for some reason you do have a SIM card in and it's not actually working, you may want to make sure you have some sort of cell service. If you're in the middle of a desert or you don't have any cell service at all, well, that's going to be a problem for you. So what you're going to want to do is you want to just go ahead and make sure you have some sort of cell service, because if you don't, well, then that's going to be the problem. Another thing you may want to try doing is connecting to a Wi-Fi connection. So what this basically means is that you want to connect to a better Wi-Fi connection, better than the one you're currently on, because that can also cause some issues as well. So what you're going to want to do here is under Wi-Fi, you either want to connect to a better Wi-Fi connection or you want to connect to a better cell service or whatever, and that can also help fix the problem too. If that's not working, you just want to go and hold down the buttons that you normally would to restart your phone. You want to go and restart it, and that could also help fix the problem as well. So those are a few different ways to fix the problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.